Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to install Python and how to get it running. Now we're actually just going to be running this on the basic IDE, the Python idle. So let's get started. You're going to head on to Google and we're going to type in, if we just type in Python, the top link, which isn't an ad, should be welcome to python.org. The link for this will be in the description. You can just go in the description and click python.org. But it'll take you to this website. Okay, next what we want to do is, you'll see we've got about, downloads, and all of this cool stuff here. In documentation you can kind of see a bit about the language, but we're going to focus on downloads. So hover over downloads, click on whatever your operating system is, in my case is Windows, and you're just going to go to the most recent stable release, which for me is 3.9.9, but I'm going to be doing this series in 3.9.9. It shouldn't really matter too much though, as long as anywhere from 3.8 onwards should be good for this series. Okay, let's click this, and now you'll see we've got a bunch of stuff up here, which you can read through all this if you want, but all we need to do is scroll all the way down, and you'll see this thing called files, and a table here. Now, what you want to do is select whatever you would like. Now, I've got a 64-bit machine. You might just want to double check. It should say recommended for you in the description. And just click on the installer. You don't really need any of the others. Just click on Windows installer or whatever your whatever your operating system is. Click on this, and as you can see, it'll download down here. Once this is done, we'll click on it, and I've actually already got a Python here, so I've already got Python installed, so it will ask me to upgrade now. Or you can click custom installation, where you can choose where it will go. I'm gonna customize this for now. If you don't already have Python installed on your device, then you'll get a screen that looks like this, roughly. The install location may be slightly different, but what you can do is, if you don't want to customize, you can just click install now, and then it will ask you to give permission. Just click yes, and it will send you straight into the installation process. Optional features, so you'll see you've got all of this stuff. We're not going to need the documentation, the pip. Pip is more advanced. We're not going to go into that anytime soon, or not in this series at least. Tkinter and the idle, we'll keep that for now. Python test suite installs a standard library test suite. We'll keep that. Pi launcher, we don't need the Pi launcher. Anyway, we'll click next. Create a shortcut. Let's just disable that for now. Actually, no, we will create a shortcut for installed. And then we just got to select where we would like this to go. Now, I'm going to select my file, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, as you can see, I've just got a folder Python for YouTube, and I'm going to save it into there. Now I'm going to click install, and that will go ahead and install. Okay, as you can see, this has actually finished now. You can read all this if you would like. I'm just going to hit close. Okay, now we want to open it, but we actually want to open something called Python idle. So we're going to click on this type here to search, and we're just going to type in Python. And what you'll see is the whatever version you've just downloaded here, and you'll also see an idle version. You want to open that up, open up the idle, and then you should get something like this that pops up. Yours will probably look like, hold on a minute, yours will probably look like a bit like this. That is fine. I'm just going to click options, configure idle, highlights, and then click idle dark. We've also got idle new, which is, yours might actually look a bit more like idle new, but I'm going to apply idle dark. I like it. And then, as you can see, it's opened up idle shell. We would then want to click file, new file. We can close the idle shell, and we now have a Python script. Now we're going to get into the actual programming fundamentals next episode, but all I wanted to do today was show you how to download Python. So I hope this helped. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.